Actually, I want you to stay.
Hey, the restaurant messaged me that the delivery guy will be at least 30 minutes late. Problems with the order system or something.
Are you serious? Ugh, bullshit!
Yeah. Where are you going?
Lunch.
Oh, yes, wait a minute, please. I gotta go. I have a customer here. See you soon.
Oi.
Hi? Oh, I have the crop top ready for you. Would you like to come inside for a... Huh? Wait!
We are not a program. This is a national website about details of follows. Please stand by. Please enter the podcast system. Coming to moment computer. Please stand it is a standby alert system. Please stand by alert system. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. And nu zijn er nooit vast. En zo nu van de position to eat. So you are alert system. Select US United States. So with the primitive, you should need the group and the group and alert system. This is the areas in the zone house. And the emergency alert system. Please stand by if the old system is sold. Sorry boys. And also, we can't find the alerts. Please stay in the old system. And also, we can't see an alert system.